Welcome back, my sales enablement champions. It's time to tackle the mighty challenge of overcoming common hurdles in the implementation of sales enablement. Are you ready to conquer these obstacles and pave the way for a successful and impactful journey? Let's dive right in. Picture this, you're on a grand quest to implement sales enablement strategies and processes. But along the way, you encounter a fearsome enemy called resistance to change. This foe can make even the bravest team members quiver in their boots. To overcome this challenge, equip yourself with the power of communication. Clearly communicate the reasons and benefits of implementing sales enablement. Show your team the positive impact it will have on their roles and the organization as a whole. Provide training, support, and ongoing communication to help them embrace the changes and unlock their inner sales superheroes. As you continue your quest, you encounter another formidable adversary, known as misalignment between sales and marketing. These two forces, if not aligned, can cause chaos and confusion. To conquer this challenge, foster a spirit of collaboration and unity. Organize regular cross-functional meetings where sales and marketing can come together and share their wisdom. Encourage joint planning sessions involving both teams in the development of sales enablement strategies. Clearly define roles, responsibilities, and expectations to ensure alignment and a shared understanding of objectives. Together, they shall become an unstoppable force. But wait, there's more. On your journey, you stumble upon the treacherous obstacle known as insufficient resources. This villain can drain your energy and hinder your progress. To defeat this challenge, unleash your powers of persuasion. Clearly articulate the business case for sales enablement and its potential return on investment. Advocate for the necessary resources by demonstrating the value and long-term benefits it will bring. Seek creative solutions, such as leveraging existing resources or forging external partnerships to maximize the impact with the resources you have. With resourcefulness, you shall triumph. And now for the final showdown. You face the mighty lack of measurable outcomes. Without clear metrics and measurable results, you're left wandering in the dark, unsure of your progress. To emerge victorious, arm yourself with the power of data. Establish the key performance indicators, KPIs, and define metrics that align with your objectives. Set up systems and tools to track and measure these metrics regularly. Analyze the data and gain insights to adjust your strategies. With the light of data guiding your way, you'll make informed decisions and showcase the impact of your sales enablement initiatives. To recap, overcoming common challenges in the implementation of sales enablement requires addressing resistance to change, fostering alignment between sales and marketing, securing sufficient resources, and establishing measurable outcomes. By wielding these strategies, you can defeat the challenges that stand in your way and ensure a successful and impactful implementation of sales enablement within your organization. That's it for this lesson on overcoming common implementation challenges. But fear not, our adventure is not over yet. In our final lesson, we'll embark on the ultimate quest of building a culture of sales enablement. Join me there, my fellow sales enablement heroes, as we wrap up this epic journey and leave you with some final words of wisdom. Onward to the final chapter, my friends. Let's go.